Bhaid am fáilte chu rómh an seo aniu don ocáid stairil seo. Don an mhuinethirí na polaiteoirí na heagraíochtaí Gaeilge, phobal áitiúil na Gaeilge, cairde agus clán. Fáilte go Gearóid Mhacha agus go Aonach Mhacha. Bhaid am fáilte ar lei a chur ribh na daoine a thaisteal ó gach ceann den tír go cethar stairil Gearóid Mhacha. Cethar atá bug ach go bhfuil a lán le háfraileci, do winter na háte agus do chuirteoirí cumáid. Welcome to the historic city of Armagh, a city that is small but which has a lot to offer locals and visitors alike. That includes both the beautiful natural landscape of the Seven Hills and the two famous cathedrals we can see on either side of this building, making Armagh the ecclesiastical capital of Ireland. Gearóid Mhacha is also the ancient seat of the kings and queens of Ullu, and takes its name from the legendary Spervan and warrior Queen Macha, who famously cursed the men of Ulster so that they could not fight or do much of anything. Agus Beidir gur sin an fa ar dheir siad arm sa luirt ar dús aniu. Of course, the centre is also named after the goddess Macha, Aonach Mhacha, the Assembly of Macha. Historically, this was an occasion where the Gaels came together to feast, to celebrate and to make decisions. And we like to think that we are recreating that tradition ag towards Daoine le Chéile, le Tionachar Immert ar an obair Iantar an seo, le Céile Rianu agus le Cairde sa Cathu. So, after more than a decade in the pipeline, it's a great privilege to be able to welcome the community through the doors today. There are people here today of many different ages, nationalities, political stances and religious beliefs. So today is a celebration of what can be achieved when communities work together, when they are empowered to take charge of their own area and make decisions to better their communities. Is Ceile Uí an lániu ar an as agus ar an orbit se Tosaigh ar an Gaelic ag level and phobal agus trígríomhaíocht phobal. Taking inspiration from the people who first founded the Shaws Road Gaeltacht in Belfast and their motto, Na Habere Jane. Since then, perceptions of Irish have changed greatly. Agus ní ghlaachtar leis an dearcú back to the bog mar drachrod níos mó, ach go bhfuil muid ag filiú ar an dúchas, tríd an Gaeilge go labhairt go nadartha agus go oscailte. The numbers of daily Irish speakers has risen exponentially, and it has been given official recognition in the North, as reflected in the New Decade, New Approach deal. So it's fitting that we're officially opening Aonach Mhacha at the start of that deal, and we look forward to building on its recognition of the Irish language in years to come. Aonach Mhacha aspires to be a beacon of hope for the Irish language community in Gearóid Mhacha agus ar fud na tíre, and we are proud to have created a space of opportunity and community which promotes and celebrates Irish language and culture, but respects and values all other languages and cultures also. For me, it's fitting that Aonach Mhacha has been built on the site of the old fire station, which was always at the heart of the community, particularly in the dark days of the Troubles. The firemen and women diligently served the community of Gearóid Mhacha, and we will continue to do the same. We can't save lives, but we can enrich them. We can provide opportunity, community cohesion, inclusion and a sense of self. So this building has maintained its purpose of being a place to help, a symbol of strength, purpose and service. In tribute to the firemen, our logo features a ladder. For them, it was a tool to save lives. For us, our tool is the building because it enables us to get our job done. As Seamus Heaney wrote in his poem, I've no spade to follow men like them. Between my finger and my thumb, the squat pen rests, I'll dig with it. But war and honour agus an pleasure do, bheith obair ar sonnaí Aonach Mhacha le couple bliana nuas, agus le macós Gearóid, Raymond, Gearóid agus Sean. This was a very challenging project at times, as all of us work full time for Agriochtaí Gaeilge, and as the saying goes, we're stuck in everything but the crib. There were many late nights and early mornings, and meetings in the Cairde Show or the Gael Inn office, Armagh City Hotel, or other cafes and pubs around the town. But the building is here now. It's a prominent visible position in the shambles area of the city. It's not an office building, a library or a museum. It's a community space which belongs to every single person in Gearóid Mhacha. So today I want to appeal to the community to come on board and help out or become involved in any way they can. No skill is invaluable to us here. Mar Gearan Seanachal, Mar Bhilogad ach Puck an Bór, Bí a Lárnaí ní leis. Céannach as an cethar seo aguchas aon duine dunas Gearóid, tá más millteach an gcínar an áit agus ar na daoine an seo. Gearóid was even willing to cross the county boundary from his native Tyrone to make this project happen, But he cleverly orchestrated that our final directors meeting before today was in Tyrone. I'm sure the other directors will agree that he was the driving force behind it all, and the person who kept us on track with immense attention to detail, creativity, and even a bit of thick-headedness at times. Mar sin, while am a just seo a hapu, len a ró lucra a Aitheasc, le buchas a go leis as an Jean ober a tajanta ige, le jaibn in a nuas, agus le iri archach denise le couple of focal ra. Gramaigad.
Gur céad maigad Áinín. A chumrádaithe, a chomhibrithe, a chairde géal a gcíniú sle. Well, tar lá linn sa Gearóid hir hall. Hasí muid amach an turas fada seo 3 bliain déag hin, gan mór an cairde agus gan airgid bí ag an amsin. Ach bhí Aislín a gin, bhí misneach a gin, agus ní ro dinnear bí a gol muid a chineal siar. Rinsteini éireach muid a chur stré, hána blianta, ach bhí an conceap ag bhailúneart agus níos táhachtaí na sin bhí pobl ladger in our nye. Ardmhacha is a special place. As Áinín alluded to in her opening remarks, there is an historical and a cultural aura in Ardmhacha that you don't get in many other places. The ancient capital of Ulster has many assets and treasures, not least our built heritage that combines an 18th century streetscape with some fine Georgian architecture. In recent years, sterling work has been done in regenerating and revitalising the inner core of the city. Ardmhacha is now a beautiful place to live and to visit. Aonach Mhacha is a major addition to our city and indeed to the Shambles area. The Shambles was once an important commercial and social hub that has suffered to some extent from the gravitation towards Market Street and the commercial centre. However, the pendulum is swinging back again to some extent with new restaurants and micro-enterprises springing up that are bringing life back to this former bustling market area. But what is a city without its people? Unfortunately, Ardmhacha still has areas where poverty and social deprivation are rife. Areas where families and individuals struggle to maintain a roof over their heads and a decent standard of living. Where children go to school hungry and where work is often insecure and low paid. Our new Culterland is situated in the Callanbridge electoral ward, a ward that has consistently appeared in the top 10% of the most deprived wards sna Chaiside. That's intolerable. It's intolerable where there is ample wealth and resources to go around us all. It's immoral that some live in luxury while others live on their nerves and from food banks. Part of the vision of Aonach Mhacha is to identify ways in which we can encourage people from economically deprived areas of the city to engage in community and cultural enterprise, in cooperativism and in grassroots initiatives to address not just cultural inequality in our city, but also social inequality, income inequality and life chance inequality. We aim to encourage and incubate new community enterprises and cultural cooperatives here. We shall be offering training, employment and community development initiatives and exploring ways in which our communities can help themselves, as we have seen the successive failure of many initiatives to address the serious problems that face us. Is cuid de glúiseacht óg bríomhar atá ag fásaí Aonach Mhacha agus má grúpa haon cairde teoranta. Tá níos mó na 500 páiste I gahar Ardmhacha atá ag freastal ar géalscoil ar leathair na huaire. Tá a bhád níos mó páiste a bhfuil grá agus dámh acu darjanga haon atá ag Janú Staidir ar an Gaeilge agus a haon hon na Gaeltachta agus a thugan taciach dimachtaí trí bhean na Gaeilge an seán Ardmhacha. Tá muid frícheachtach agus tá sé daim a gin ar Janga Álín an Gaeilge a bheith ar fáil do gach duine is cuma cén cúra atá acu. Níl ó phobal na Gaeilge ach a gearta bunasacha is saci atá il teangach go mbeidh chana féin. Tá go leor le hofrail a gin don cahar seo ó híomh na hacnámaíochta, ó híomh na fástaíochta de, ó híomh an taal hóisialta de, agus ó híomh an cultúr le gach duine é. Tugam muid taciach domlin de jarrig le farrig, agus don actus dach Gaelige, agus siasan muid lin garge fud na tíre atá ag sir actus I act son garta go léir. Be me comfort, Jack, when I hear people talking about the two communities here in Armagh, the two communities in the north of Ireland. In Ardwaka, we are Irish, we are British, we're Bulgarian, we're Bangladeshi, we're Polish, we're Russian, we're Lithuanian, we're Latvian, we're Syrian, we're Muslim, we're Catholic, we're Protestant, we're atheist, we're Sikh, we're Hindu, we're Buddhist, and we're Jews. Modern Ardwaka is a rich tapestry of cultural diversity, welcoming to new communities and cultures, and long may that continue. Níl jarmad jantog I narhu siúd hui roin. Shasan mudjan sean you gulaka fachach. Pobl dílis na Gaelige a huil sraid in Ardwacha roin. An drachur to bariach dactu acu an le na lua lig. A tam e chara ve sasta dacu a acail in gudjukta and sean you. On a personal level, I must thank a small handful of people who have shared my vision throughout this long journey. My host Gearóid, Sean, Áinín, and Tolliv Paul Stewart. Aonach as Grenoble, Le Veronica, Rare, our friends from south of France I welcome here today who arrived last night. Stephen McCleary, a hug Charman do in their marrig, near Nero Cara Eller Biogam. Raymond O'Carine and Tian Dinya, a hig Ashleen Sugam zone tus. Phelan Maguire, a Kinny and Chunskadal like Dollarain or if he much we unsi on Ahancarn. Mark Curran, if anyone individual deserves credit for bringing Aonach Mhacha together in the last few weeks and months, it's Mark Curran. For Emila Magat Mark, Sarah Cargill for remaining a beacon of calm through the troubled waters over the many years in developing the project. Best wishes to you, Sarah, and to your new young family. Míle buíochas do Gearóid Machail, do Chalamagáin, do Shannon, do Hiernan, do Malachy O'Neill, o Red Ned's Bar, as an Uriach, don Alchu Fina, in you, Gearóid Malachy, for the wine reception and your sponsorship here today. Tony Hughes, o Tony's Bar and Grill, agus Erin, Wendy, agus Kieran, a taig Janu Ray and Bia, in you. Do Mark, agus do Connor, o SEDC Signs. Be Shannon Weilste ag gól buíochas le hahandinne a bheith buinse leis an tionscadal seo ag Gearóid and Sarman seo. So Shannon will be thanking everybody. I'm not attempting to thank everybody. DA Architects, Smith Survey and Brent Lahern and Sons, agus Alehij. But last but not least, be orm couple of dinne ella lua. Is Iad Nadini is tauachtaí a héal héin. Má chéla maira agus má gasar saran. Can you chip your me agus shib me inspirate. Keep me la buíochas go léir.